spiders, you may think of this, or this, or these. But what if I told you that they can actually be lovable and sociable? Turns out there are some spider species that love being around each other and living in harmony. I'm talking about the genus Anelosimus, a group of 74 social spider species. Let's take a look at them under the stereoscope. Anelosimus have been observed using their webs and behaviour to communicate with each other, to create nests that benefit all individuals and therefore aid survival and reproduction. So you would expect that there's a reason for sociality to arise or to be selected for. Should have some sort of benefit, right? Evolutionary biologists have been tackling the reasons for why certain traits evolve for decades, and often there isn't an answer. Every scientific study helps us better understand the world around us. This began me on my journey to observe the benefit of sociality in the Anelosimus genus, which is a topic lacking in a lot of scientific research. This got me thinking, does population size impact social spider behaviour? And if so, would there be a positive selection for larger populations of social spiders? Sociality is difficult to research because social systems are complicated. Take humans for example. We often have a multitude of responses to one cause, such as being hot, and we have numerous causes for the same response, such as yawning. Well, spiders are the same. It is not always clear why spiders behave the way they do, creating challenges for scientists who are trying to unravel the mysteries of sociality, leaving a gap in our knowledge. I aim to study the impact of population size on web construction. I created a controlled spider hotel using uniform plastic containers, sticks, leaves, and clay to encourage web building. I set up 3 treatments. Treatment A with 1 spider, treatment B with 10 spiders, and treatment C with 20 spiders. These treatments were repeated 3 times with different individuals, and then they were left to build webs for 30 hours. After 30 hours, I examined the webs that my spiders had built. Confined by the size of the container, I thought that measuring web size would not provide me with sufficient data. I then decided to see if there was a correlation between spider position, specifically the height, and whether it was influenced by the population size in each treatment. It was statistically analysed that there was an insignificant difference between treatments, but on average spiders were positioned higher in each of the containers. These results could be interpreted as that the population size had no significant impact on the height in which the spiders positioned themselves, but overall the spiders may have preferred being in a higher position. I also observed that the spiders tended to accumulate in large groups. Treatment A only contained 1 spider, so large group accumulation couldn't really be examined. But looking at treatment B, I found that 73.3% of individuals accumulated in one large group, and then 85% in treatment C. I statistically analysed the difference between each treatment, looking at the proportion of spiders that clustered in the largest group and those that did not. These results were also insignificant, which may be due to insufficient data or because the number of spiders in each treatment did not influence the proportion of spiders that accumulated in large groups. So what does this all tell us? From what we can tell, sociality is really complicated, particularly in spiders. We know that there are countless factors that can influence a spider's behaviour, from foraging to even the size of the webs that they create. Therefore, we are yet to decipher the optimal population size for social spiders in the Anelosimus genus, or if there even is an optimum that could be selected for. This proposes questions like whether spiders or other animals are likely to become social or solitary. Sociality is important for us to know because it can shape the way spiders evolve. Spiders are vital for the environment. They impact food webs through predator-prey interactions, and they are model organisms showing unique characteristics such as venom and silk production. Therefore, spiders impact us and the environment around us. Tune in next week for more spider talk.